G'day Bushcraft survivalists and preppers. Today, Friday's fable at the table. What are we going to do today? Let's go and have a look at Friday's tips. Remember the old buddy burner? It was a chore to make. Well, I've got a new version of that with pine cones, make an excellent fire starter. Oh, there's still seeds in it. Excellent fire starter. What I'm going to do is melt some wax first, because that's the key principle. Now I gather wax every opportunity. Everything, you know, the old candles you throw away, gather them. They're great prepping stuff. Wax is brilliant for a lot of things, but today we're just going to use it in this method for fire lighting. Anyway, I'm going to use as I've been informed, this is Swiss, not Dutch, as mentioned in the other video. And I'm going to light, get my matches out, get my willow out, and rub it together. Anyway, we're going to light this. Brilliant for getting going on it. Because this just makes it ideal too. I'm going to need pointy nose pliers or something to grab the cones, like so, and obviously wax, which I'm going to just drop quite a big in. We'll fill this up. This is going to get hot, which is another good use. The pliers. That's the water that's in that can, because I washed it out. And let it melt down. And stand back. Okay, pull up the wax, as you can see. Take it off the heat, because now we can gently, because these might have water on it, yep, dip these in and out. I don't know if you can see that, it's fizzing. That's both the water coming out and it's cooking it basically. We do that one by one. Drop them in. But be careful, this is hot wax. Now as we let these dry over here, we do a lot, we wouldn't just do them. What I'm going to do, when we get to the surplus wax, we can either take it out and use it again on something else, or we can put other things in it and soak them in it. What I'm going to do this time is soak that wick completely, make a scrunchy mess, put it over the side. Okay, then I'm going to drop some more cones in and soak them. Soak one, so you get it soaked, and pull it out. They're the ones we want on the top. Same again. See, if it gets too full, you won't be able to dip the top ones. And I want these sticking out the top as well. I think you know where I'm going with that. So I'll leave them two there. And I'll just you can do many things. I think you're working it through now, and by all means write me a comment if you can think of more. Okay, now we're going to let that go off. These are what I'm proposing as my fire starter, and let's give it a burn. Put these in a bag. Waterproof bag, and when you need a fire, away she goes. And that's not particularly dry. As I say, you can see that. You'd have no problem burning. That'll burn for a very long time. More time than enough to get a fire going. There we go. You can see it burns exceedingly well, doesn't it? Another thing we could do while we're waiting for this to dry is take our safety matches and waterproof them. I'm going to get one in there. It's raining here, guys. Just dip it in. That'll waterproof it. Ready to strike it on a safety match striker, and it'll go. We'll do that next time. But anyway, what I'm going to do is let this cool off, and for next Friday we're going to convert this little baby into a cooker, a good long burning cooker with what we've done: pine, a bit of a wick to get it going, and we'll light it with the dipped in safety matches. So anyway, this is Pete on Survival on Friday, signing out saying please don't forget to like, share, and above all else, subscribe.